What to Expect When You're Expecting to Take Religion in Imaginary Worlds by Larkin Houston. Expect to be challenged. Expect to be tested. This class may not be for the well-rested. Explore the great vast oceans in the life of Pi. Explore the Republic of Gilead and beware of the eyes. Atheists, agnostics, believers, and the rest, come one, come all, put your beliefs to the test. What is religion? What does all mean? How do we tell stories? What if the sky is really green? Our life is a story that we get to write. How we understand the world through religion takes flight. Our perception of the world and what we deem sacred transcends time and space, defines who we are and what we believe. Some call it myth, I call it individual realities. How does society function? How can religion relate? Is religion the imagination of the oppressed, or something more full of hate? Do violence and religion go hand in hand? Is it necessary? Is it part of a grander plan? Can we justify violence for the greater good? Can society function without violence? Ask yourself, who really is hiding under the hood? Religion shapes the course of the world. It determines how we view life, how we view ourselves, and what we are working toward. It inspires us to see sacredness in the objects of the profane, to place value on ideas, on progress and change. We give meaning to our lives through a religious lens. Where would we be without religion? Well, I guess that depends.